Hello guys, today I will show you the miracle salad for weight loss. If shedding a few pounds is your goal, this detox is tailor-made for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Let me know what do you think about that in the comment section below. When our digestive system isn't functioning properly, it can wreak havoc on our bodies. Digestive issues such as irregular bowel movements, bloating, poor digestion, or even constipation can be a major factor in weight gain. Due to poor digestion, harmful toxins cannot be effectively flushed out of our bodies. How to detoxify the body? To assist your body in flushing out harmful toxins and speeding up digestion, we have a simple recipe to help you in this challenging battle. It's a recipe that cleanses the body, eliminates harmful toxins, provides fiber to the digestive system, and balances the body's pH levels. What you'll need: cabbage, carrots, red beets, lemon juice, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and spices. Instructions: 1. Chop or grate the vegetables into small pieces. Add salt, pepper, and spices for seasoning, depending on your preferences. 2. Finally, drizzle the salad with vegetable oil and lemon juice. 3. Indulge in this salad every evening for 3 days, and you'll soon see the results. Subscribe for more tips and embark on your journey to a healthier, happier you.